Hello guys, welcome to Asal Digitals. My name is Paulo Logo. Now today I'm going to show you how to track motion for 3 items using a text in a Filmora X. Now just like in this video here, you can see the text are following the motorbikers as you can see here. So we're going to make something like this. Let's begin. Once you have opened Filmora, the next thing you're going to do, you're going to import a video. So that's what you're going to do. So I'll just come here, I'll look for this video of motorbikers, then I'll just come and drag it and move over here, then I'll just drop it here. Then the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to put many video tracks here, around even 6 or 5. So I'm just going to click here, add video track. I'm going to add another one. I'm going to add as many as possible, like so. Maybe around 6 of them is enough. Then after that, I'm going to drag this video to the lowest video track possible, maybe here. Then I'll just leave it like so. Then I'll just use the settings here. Then I'll place this one here. Then I want to track the first person here. So what am I going to do? I'm going to click this aspect here. This is the tracking motion command. So I'm going to click it. Then it will give me this aspect here, this triangle here with the plus in the middle. This plus in the middle is the one that shows you the target. So my target I want is this guy, the first guy here. Now this first guy here, I'm going to track his head. So I'm going to position it like you see here using the handles. Then I'm just going to say I'm going to double click this one to track, as you can see here. Then it will just track like so. Then you give it a few seconds for it to track, maybe around 6 to 7 seconds for it to track. Then after that, I'll just press OK. Then the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to look for text. So I'm going to titles here. I'll click titles. Then I'll click this one here. Then I'll just drag it here. This one is called default title. It's the one I'm going to use to track this person and give it a name. So I'm going to I will just click here, adjust the text. Maybe place it here and maybe place it maybe adjacent to this head here, or maybe on top here. Let me just place it on top here. Then I'll double click it to what? To give it a name. Now I'll call this guy, maybe I call him Billy. Billy. Then maybe I want to change the text into yellow. Double click here. Let me make the text bigger, maybe from 80 to maybe 100, or I'll just adjust like that. Then I'll just place it like so. Then I'll just press OK. Then I'll make sure the text is end to end, because this guy is showing till the end of the video of the clip. Now the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to click this down a video here. Then I'm going to click this track motion. Then it will give me the aspect. Now I'll click this down an arrow. Then I'll choose the default. I'll choose this default title, the name of the. You make sure it is above this video. So I'm going to click this one, default title, and I'm just going to say OK. Then if I play, the words are so high. So what am I going to do? I'm going to place them maybe here, so that they don't become so. They become at least closely adjacent to the object. The object in this person is the motorbiker. So if I play like so, you see the words are following this guy. Now after doing that, I'll just pause like so. Now I'm going to track the second person. Now what am I going to do? I'll just come to media again here, place it in the timeline like so. Then I want to track it from here. Now what will I do? I'll come here under track motion. It will give me this object again. Then I'll just aim for the head, because I want to track the head which is visible. So I'll do like so. I'll do like this so that it tracks the head. Then after that, I'll double click this like so. Then it will give it a few seconds for it to track this guy. Then after a few seconds, just say OK. Then after pressing OK, the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to add text. So I'm going to titles. I'm still going to add the same text. Place it here. adjust it maybe like so. I'll place it on top of the head here, maybe adjacent here, like so, here. Maybe name it, maybe I double click name it, maybe I name this person Ali. So I'll just name it, maybe adjust it to become bigger, not that big, maybe this size I think can do. Maybe place the text adjacent to the head like so. But you see this color, maybe I don't like the color, maybe I change it to this. Yeah, I think this will do. Then I'll make sure, because this video goes from end to end like so, as you can see this game. So what am I going to do? I'm going to make sure this text also, I make sure it goes to the end, covers from this end to this end. Now after that, I'll come back here to track motion, click here, then track motion, then I come and choose this down arrow. Remember the text was called default title, so I'll just press default title and say okay. If I play, you see it will track this, but it's not okay because it's blocking the head. So maybe I adjust a little bit, maybe place it here. Maybe no, first of all go here. Maybe I place it somewhere, maybe here. So if I play, you can see that. Now we're going to track motion. The next, the third person, the third person is riding the motorbike. So what am I going to do? I'm going to media again, and also again just drop it or drag it in the timeline like I've just done. Make sure you see this third person is not, it's very far, it's at the back, at the farthest end at the back. So what am I going to do? I'm also going to track motion this guy. So I'll press this again. Now make sure this guy, I want to track the motorbike so that it captures this guy accurately. Let me just aim, make sure this plus is in the motorbike like so, like that. Then I'll just minimize like that. I'll minimize again like that. Then like that. Now then the next thing, just like the other videos I did, I'll also press double click this one to track motion this guy. Now with this track motion, okay, you realize this guy disappears at some point. So where he disappears, where she disappears, I'll just cut it off. Maybe I'll just drag where this guy disappears. I think this guy disappears here. So I'll cut here and delete the other part like so. So I'll remove the other part where this guy appears in the clip. Now the next thing I'm going to do, just like the other videos, I'm going to put a title. So I'll just drag here like so. Then maybe this, I'll rename it, maybe give this person a name, maybe Susie. Then I'll adjust. Now make sure this one is here where this guy starts, maybe here. Then I'll just place it maybe on top of her like so. Then I don't like this, not contrasting well. Maybe I use this color. Try this. This doesn't work. Maybe try yellow again. So I'll place it like so here. Give it, give it this darker yellow like so. Now let me give it just yellow, just like this here. So I'll just place it there. Then the next thing, I'll just press OK. Come to this video again. Choose track motion. Choose default title. Now if I play, let me play. Yeah, you see at some point this guy disappears. Then I'll just press OK. Then after that, we're going to the next stage. Now we want to combine all these into one because we want to see all these names in one instance so that it becomes in one video. So what am I going to do? I'm going to select this and select these two, and I'm going to drag them on top of this like so. Then also this one, I'll come also the third one, I'll select and select by pressing Control and clicking. Then I'll just drag also on top here. Make sure these videos, this one are aligned to each other, this one and this one are aligned to each other accurately. Now I'll come and try to play. If I play, you see I only see one video, then it disappears, but I want to see all of them. Now what do I do? I'll make sure I'll drag this one here, I'll drag this one here, place it here adjacent, pull this one down like so. Also I'll drag this one like so, pull this one down, it will spoil. What I will do, I'll just take it back, then I'll make sure this is on top here. Then again, I'll also make sure this is on top here. Then I'll make sure these videos are also together like so. So you make sure this video and this video and this video are on top of each other. Also you make sure these text titles here are also on top of each other. Make sure at the start they are adjacent to each other. Now if I come and play here like so, you see all the text are appearing. You can see now all the motorbikers are tracked. Now after doing that, the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to track this. I'm going to export this video. Now what am I going to do? Before that, I'm going to Control A so that I select all of them, then drag them here. Then after dragging them here, the next thing I'm going to do, but before I export, there's something that is remaining. I want the video to look more fantastic. So what am I going to do? I'm going to add audio. So I'll click here, maybe choose rock. Then maybe I drag this audio here. Maybe I'm seeing this a bike. Maybe I try this. Maybe I try this audio. Let's see how it will be. Maybe I don't like this. Maybe let's try. Maybe try another audio. Maybe try this one here. Yeah, maybe use this one here. Now what am I going to do? I'm going to cut this audio here. What am I going to do? I'm going to cut this audio here. So I'll make sure it is adjacent to this here, then I cut it, then delete this part here. Now if I play, I'm only remaining with the audio where I want to use it. Then the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to export. So I'll just come here and export, press export. Then I'll name this video as Motorbikers. Then I'll just export. Then after a few seconds or a few minutes, it has exported. Now you go and find the target. I'll just click here for me to find the video. Then I'll just play it. I think here's the video. Let me play. Yeah, you can see the video. You can see the words following the first ones. Now guys, that's how to track motion an object, multiple people or multiple objects. Now guys, thank you for watching. Kindly watch my other videos in the description section. I've put more videos that can help you to use this app called Filmora. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. As we grow together, I'll produce more videos of how to make maybe green screen and maybe other videos of this nature. So guys, have a nice time, have a nice day, take care, peace.